So hello guys, I am Sorojit Biswas. So welcome back to my channel. So today I will going to do an unboxing of a fan. So I have bought this online. So let me show you what's inside. This is the thing. So it's a HS Decora Scion 56 inch. So whatever might be, let's unpack the fan. So there's the motor inside. So let me show you the motor. So here there is the motor. So this is the top part, pretty much dusty here. So whatever might be, let's do the unboxing. And this box is now empty. So guys, as you are watching, this is the Crompton High Speed Decora Scion 56 inch. As you can see the image, this is the 56 inch model of this fan. So I have bought this from Flipkart. So here is the invoice. Let me show you the invoice. So this is the invoice, and the Flipkart guys took from me a very huge price for this fan, whereas the MRP of this fan is very less. Whatever might be, let me show you the box, this price tag and the manufacturing place and whatsoever. Then we will do the unboxing. So guys, as you are watching, this is the Crompton Grips fans box. So this is a 56 inch or 1400 millimeter, and it's manufactured in March 2018. Yes, this is a very old stock product, and the box MRP is 2400, but Flipkart took me 2900 for this fan. So 500 rupees more from the MRP. This is very ridiculous and crazy factor. So I feel very sad on this, because 500 rupees, if I consider it for the shipping also, then why the fan is sold for the box MRP? This is a very stupid thing for this kind of product, because this product literally sold in 2250 or something back in 2018 or less than that also. So whatever might be, enough talk. This is a Decora product, Decora Goa. This product is officially discontinued, but this product is very rarely available in the market. I don't know why. This product is so good looking product, but Crompton is pushing the Duratec and whatsoever product, the Silent Pro. Crompton has literally pressed down this model and more boasting the models of the Aura and whatsoever. I feel very sad, because I feel the High Speed is the best fan available in the market, and this is better than Aura and Jura, especially in the 56 inch segment. This is the king of 56 fans. Yes, I am not joking. The Jura 56, Avanza 56, Aura 56, Riviera 56, all are 12 pole. Please listen it, all are 12 pole 56, but this is a 14 pole motor, the one and only model available in the market, that is the High Speed 56 inch. All the fans from High Speed 56 inch, whether that's a Scion 56 or a High Speed Decora 56 or a High Speed ordinary 56, all the fans are 14 poles. So if you guys know something about electricity, then you must know that for the more number of poles, the more stronger the magnetic field will be. So the 14 pole means the motor is stronger than that of the 12 pole, so that can handle this big size of blade. But sad to say that the Jura 56 have a 12 pole motor. I know that's a very thick 12 pole, but whatsoever, that's having quite less torque compared to the 14 pole. So guys, for your interest only, I have a Jura 56, you know that. So I will do a comparison of this High Speed Decora, this Scion 56 14 pole versus the Jura 56 12 pole in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. No need to worry about. So guys, let me show you the box. So this is the photo of the fan that I have purchased. This is the Baker's Brown, and here is written it's Baker's Brown. So let me show you this side. Typical my Scion 36 inch box, you may remember from my Scion 36 video. This is the same box, 1400 mm Baker's Brown. This is the opal white with the grey deco. Grey, you may say, no, it's not black deco, it's grey deco. This is the sparkle silver. I know the color is looking like opal white, but this is sparkle silver with some kind of brown deco, or what you may say, very limited edition model was this. And this is again opal white. So this is the product. So let's quickly unbox it, and let me show you the blades. So guys, these are the blades that you were watching. So as you can see, this is a 19/3/18. So this is a March 18 box, same as that of the fans blade. And something GI or something is written here, I don't know why. So without wasting any more time, let's do it. So guys, as you are watching, this is the Scion 56 as you are watching. So this is the motor. So the motor is looking pretty good as you can see. So typical, if you remember my Scion 36 video, that is the physical hardware, because I said you that the Crompton's 36, 48, 56, 42, all the four sizes of the motors, physically the motor have the same size except the Jura or the Aura, which having physically smaller but the windings are same. Whatsoever, the high speed have all the four sizes same physical dimensions. So as you were watching, this is the motor. So this is the label as you were watching. The label is fixed inclined. This is the box capacitor 2.25 microfarad. This is actually an EPCOS capacitor. This logo belongs to EPCOS. Let me have a focus here so you can see it clearly. So this is the 2.25 microfarad capacitor. Here is written 14. That means it's made for 1400 millimeters. Like my Jura 56. That's also written 14. 14 means 1400 mil. So this is the motor. Now this is the motor bolt. So little bit rust is going on in the motor bolt, I can see that, but still it is working and it's not bad. So whatever might be, this is the shackle. There is some rust and there it's P branded. So let me show you, it's P branded. So this part is quite good of the shackle, the motor bolt also, but this part is rusty. I think the shopkeeper has means kept the fan on the shelf for at least 3 years. That's why this kind of moisture damage happened, as you can expect. So whatever might be, these are the canopies. The canopies have very tiny screws, so be aware of these screws as you can see. So you need a tiny tester for this, or don't tighten the screw, because you can also just remove and throw away these screws. These screws are, you may say, hidden type of screw, but if the screw is tight and you shove the canopy, then the down rod will get badly scratched. That's why never tighten that screw. And this is the 11-inch down rod with an M8, because since this is a 2018 model, that's why this is having an M8 holes. As you can see, 2018 models deserve M8 and always have M8. So these are the things. So guys, let me quickly say the tools you required. So these are the tools that you require. Some wires, big size screwdriver. These are the spanners, 10, 11, 12, 13, one ring 12, 13, because this is an M8, that's why. A tester plier, that's all. And whatever might be, let's quickly install the fan. And this is the warranty card, 24 months warranty. All the instructions are written on the box regarding installation, and the mounting recommendation and whatsoever warranty information is given in this. So if you want to check it, you may check it, read it. And these are the dimensions of the fan that suits your room, and this is the bill warranty stamping place. So since this is an online product, they don't stamp the product, no need, because you have to keep the bill. You can also download the bill from the Flipkart, and if the bill is not downloading from Flipkart, that's what happened with me. I just called the Flipkart customer care. So the important points during installation of the fan: don't remove this safety plastic that is given here, this safety plug. Always use this safety screw during tightening of the down rod, and always check the tightness of each and every wires that is provided here by tightening these screws. And you should connect the power wires here in these two holes. So whatever might be. And if you need to replace the capacitor, you need to replace the entire connector box and put a conventional cylinder capacitor. That is possible, but you have to also purchase a capacitor holder that's made of PVC. So whatever might be, that's not required since this is a new product. Let's install it. So guys, the installation of the fan is completed. As you can see, I have put all the washers in one side. As you know, due to the this canopy is skinny canopy or thin canopy, that's why if I put all the washers in this side, then this bolt will be long in this side and the canopy may tilt in one side. So always use this kind of fitment because this is a shackle. So let's fix the blades. So as you are watching, the fan is looking really awesome and the canopies don't require the screws to be tightened, as you can see here. So this is the fan looking pretty nice. So whatever, this is the lower. So whatever might be, let's put the blades. So guys, the assembly of the blades is completed. Let's hang the fan. Since this is a 56-inch fan, that's why it will look pretty big. So let's install it. So guys, as you can see, I have installed the Crompton High Speed Decora Scion 56-inch ceiling fan. So let's start it in full speed. So guys, as you are watching, this is a fan. So the fan is running in pretty good speed. It's like around 270 rpm, that is, or something like that. That is mentioned in the Crompton's catalog. You may say the speed is similar to that of box logo HS56 that I have, and it's something like Jura 56. So let's feel the airflow. So the airflow of this fan is pretty good. Since this is a 56-inch fan, the air, it's made to spread the air all across the room. This fan is meant for big rooms where the air surround is required and not meant for direct airflow below the motor. So I hope you got my point. So this is the fan. The airflow below the fan is quite good. It's pretty 56 is airflow and not a 48 airflow. So 48 gives you constant wind. The 56 gives you surround and spreading of wind all around the room. So don't buy 56 unnecessarily until and unless you have a big room, because if you know, the rules of 56 are from the tip of the blade, the near wall should be around 4 feet or 5 feet. It's ideal to place a 56-inch fan in a place where all the walls are 5 feet or more from the fan's end of the blade, so that the air can circulate properly. So this side have no wall, as you can see. This is the same room that where I unboxed my Avanza daycare whatsoever. So let me show you the fan from different sides. So as you are watching, the strobes somewhat feeling like the medallion is rotating in opposite direction, but that's just for the camera, the frame rate and whatsoever things that happens, as you know. So, and the medallion is pretty prominent to the camera. That is a very astonishing thing. The air cutting noise that you are hearing now is just for the camera microphone, nothing else. Whatever might be, this is the fan. So this is the Scion 56. Now I should not say you who is better than what, means either the Jura 56 better or the Scion 56 better. For this I will make a dedicated video and I will post it in my channel so that you can watch there and understand what I am saying there. I will not say any comparison topic now. So overall the fan is very good fan. This is a Decora product. The canopies are push type canopies with a screw. I don't tighten the screw, but the canopies are really tight to the round rod. That's not an issue. So guys, if you get this fan, if you want to buy a 56-inch fan, since 56-inch fan looks pretty good for your ceiling, so, and for your big room. So if you want to get a 56-inch fan, go for this fan or go for Crompton HS. Please don't buy Riviera 56 because those are 12 pole. I will say you why not to buy that in my dedicated video. So, but the thing is that since this is a rare fan, this is really a rare product of Crompton. So if you are getting this fan, then no worries, just go and buy the fan, this 56 or the 48 or the 36, whatever you require. And if you are not getting, then go for the regular HS. Regarding the 48-inch size, you can go for any model such as Aura, Avanza, Duratec, Aura, Jura, whatsoever. But regarding the 56 segment, only the HS is the only king. So the king of fan is the HS56. in the 56 segment, obviously. In the 48 segment also, the HS is the king. I prefer HS is the king. So whatever might be. So I hope you like the fan, and if you want to purchase this fan, check Amazon or Flipkart if you get it still now. And if you want to watch two offline stores, just go for it. Ask for this model, not the 56, also try the 48. So this is a really very good fan, metallic fan. And since this is a metallic fan, this fan is somewhat like an anti-dust fan. So it's quite easy to clean like the normal Jura or the normal Aura or normal Avanza whatsoever, or the HS metallic you may say. So whatever might be guys, I hope you like the fan and I hope you like my video. So if you guys like my video, then press the like button. Don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So whatever might be guys, thanks for watching.